Hey everyone, welcome to Way2Ask. In this session, let's explore how to use Solo Meet. From your dashboard, click Start Meeting. On the Setup page, pick the template that fits your conversation: interview, sales calls, or team meeting. Then, on the left side, choose Solo Mode and click Start Meeting. Quick tip before you begin: if you need it, make sure the chat window is hidden. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once your meeting starts, Way2Ask gives you AI assistance through simple keyboard shortcuts. Press F2 or the spacebar to instantly generate an AI answer for the current question. Need more depth? Hit F5 for a detailed, comprehensive response. Want something practical or technical with examples? That's F6. And if you want an answer based on what's currently on your screen, just press F1 or caps lock. The best part: Way2Ask understands both your voice and your screen content, so there is no need to type your questions manually. It also supports over 50 languages for voice recognition, though AI responses are currently delivered in English. All of this helps you respond quickly, stay confident, and perform your best, whether it's an interview, a sales call, or a team meeting. And the process is exactly the same across every template. Just pick the one you need before starting your session. That's the Solo Meet feature.